Hey, what's up guys? So Amazfit has come out with a new watch and this one is Active 3 Premium. The last Amazfit watch that I covered was Amazfit Active Max, and this one looks pretty similar to Active Max, but there are a few differences and I'll cover those in some later videos. But for now, let's go ahead and unbox Active 3 Premium and see what this watch is all about. There's the watch, there's the paperwork, and there is the charging puck, very similar to what we are now getting with the latest Amazfit watches, Active Max, T-Rex 3 Pro, Balance 2, and here is the watch. Now, this one absolutely looks premium and feels premium as well. It's made out of stainless steel material as compared to the aluminum alloy of Amazfit Active Max. And here's the display. Now, it does have a smaller display, so it has a 1.32-inch AMOLED display as compared to 1.5-inch on Active Max, but it does have sapphire glass protection as compared to the strengthened glass on Amazfit Active Max. It has a smaller footprint, obviously, but it looks absolutely gorgeous. I went for this color because the black was not available. Otherwise, I would have went for that one. Now, another difference here is that it comes with 20mm strap as compared to the 22mm strap on Amazfit Active Max. So that's the strap. Let's put this on and complete the look of the watch. So this is how it looks with the strap. It definitely has an air of elegance about it. So I'm going to power it on, connect it with the Zepp app and come back. So here it is, all connected and good to go. Now here you'll notice that it comes with 4 buttons. So this is basically T-Rex 3 Pro in the body of Active 3 Premium. It's a smaller watch, but you get 4 buttons. You can control the whole thing with just these buttons. You never have to touch the screen if you want. So there is that. This is the back button, and this one is shortcut to your activities, and you can press this button again to go to your apps. So here are all the apps. You can long press on the watch face to switch to different watch faces, and again we get a different set of official watch faces with this watch. Now quickly, I wanted to compare it with Amazfit Active Max. So Active Max has a 1.5-inch AMOLED display. Active 3 Premium has 1.32-inch AMOLED display, and this is how they compare. The design is pretty similar. It's uncanny. The buttons, the overall look and feel is pretty similar. It's just smaller in size and made out of stainless steel as compared to the aluminum on Active Max. There are a lot of other differences as well, which I'll cover in detail when I'll do the comparison of both of these watches. But for now, here is the display comparison. And now let's compare it with Amazfit Active 2. Now both of these have 1.32-inch AMOLED display, but you can see the difference in their thickness and their design. Now by definition, Active 3 Premium is supposed to be the next version or an update on Active 2, because this is Active 3 and this is Active 2, and Active 2 also has a premium model with a leather band and sapphire glass, but Amazfit has just released Active 3 Premium. They have not released the base Active 3. So we'll see when that comes out, but if this is how it would look, I'm not the one to complain. It looks absolutely gorgeous. And that's about it from this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. You know what's coming, a lot of tips and tricks videos and comparisons. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.